Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PayPal integration tools for WordPress site, and here's the breakdown. If you run a WordPress site and you want to accept PayPal easily, there are a few integration tools that make setup smooth and checkout reliable. WooCommerce PayPal payment is one of the best options. It adds PayPal at checkout with support for PayPal credit and local pay option while keeping everything inside your store cart. Another great option is the WP Simple Pay, which lets you add PayPal button or form without a full shopping cart, perfect for donations or single item sales. Easy digital downloads plus PayPal work especially well if you sell, download, courses or digital content. So these tools help you take PayPal payment fast and securely with minimal setup. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy e-commerce tips, and comment which PayPal tools you'd like to install first. And that's it.